Good morning one and all. Today I am going to teach about power amplifier, that is LM380. It is a audio power amplifier developed by National Semiconductor for consumer applications. Okay, here in this that is LM380 also, in the pin configuration it has 14 pins. Okay, so this is the internal schematic diagram of LM380. Okay, we have a resistance 25 kilo ohm, that is 2 resistance, and another resistance R4, R5, and 2 diodes, and 12 transistors, that is PNP transistors. Okay, and 7 to 8 resistance. Okay, now we can see the operation. We have first 4 stages. Okay, that is first stage is the PNP emitter follower stage, and second stage is the differential amplifier stage, and third stage is the common emitter amplifier, fourth stage is the 4 quasi complementary emitter follower. So we have 4 stages in this internal schematic diagrams, that is in the operation of power amplifier. In the operation of power amplifier we have 4 stages. This power amplifier can operate at a voltage of 5 volt to 20 volt. Okay, so it can also provide a high input impedance as 150 kilo ohm. Okay, it can mostly provide high impedance as 150 kilo ohm. So we have these 4 stages. Okay, so first this input is coupled to the PNP emitter follower. Okay, first the input is coupled to the, that is the input is fed to the PNP emitter follower. After that, the output from the PNP emitter follower drives the Q3 Q4 differential amplifier. This drives from the Q3 Q4 differential pair or differential amplifier. The transistors Q5 and Q6 forms the collector load. Okay, the transistors Q5 and Q6 forms the collector loads for the PNP differential pair. The bias current to the pair is regulated by Q7. The bias current to the pair is, transistor pair is regulated by Q7. Okay, Q7, R3, the resistance R3 and VCC. The transistors Q7 and Q8 form a current mirror. Okay, see, these transistors form a current mirror. And we have the diodes also. Okay, this current mirror is used to supply the current. Okay, this current mirror is used to supply the collector current. Okay, in Q9. Okay, in Q9. This arrangement is common emitter voltage gain stage. This arrangement is called common emitter voltage gain stage. The output of the differential amplifier Q3, Q4 is taken at Q6 collector. Okay, the output of Q3 and Q4 is taken at the transistor of Q6. Okay, and again it is applied as the bias current to Q9, and this is again applied as bias current to the transistor Q9. The diodes D1 and D2 together forms a active load. Okay, these two diodes forms the active load. Okay, that is Q7 and Q8 forms the current mirror. Okay, here a capacitor is coupled. Okay, here a capacitor is coupled between the collector and base of Q9. A capacitor is coupled between the collector and base of Q9 to form the internal compensation. Okay, to form the internal compensation, a collector is coupled. Okay, the NPN transistor Q12 and Q10 forms a quasi complementary pair. This Q12 and Q10 forms a quasi complementary pair. Okay, at the output side. Okay, that is emitter follower at the output side. The diodes D1 and D2 reduces the crossover distortion. Okay, the diodes D1 and D2 reduces the crossover distortion, and the resistors R6 and R7 are used for current limiting. These two diodes reduces the distortion, and the resistance R6 and R7 is used for current limiting. Okay, a feedback, that is a DC feedback, is configured to the emitter of transistor Q4 and R5 of, that is resistance R5 of, for output stabilization. Okay, a DC feedback is fed to the emitter of Q5, that is transistor Q5, and resistance R5 for output stabilization. Okay, therefore the overall fixed voltage produced is, that is fixed voltage gain produced for LM380 power amplifier is 50 or 34 decibel. Okay, the overall fixed voltage produced by the LM380 is 50 or 34 decibel. Okay, this is about the power amplifier. Now we can see some of the applications. It is used as a bridge amplifier. Okay, and it is used in many industrial applications. So audio amplifier, it is used as audio amplifier, bridge amplifier, and it is used in many industrial applications. So we have studied about power amplifier LM380. That's all. Thank you.